Here's a new feature I just discovered. I have a plant that dropped a couple leaves. I went to vacuum up a little leaf. It was still a leaf, but it was small. And it dragged it across the carpet, disintegrated it, and spread it into a lot of the carpet. Now I have, you can't really tell, but I have like a green discoloration where the spinner brush came to rest. And then here's all the other little disintegrated leaf pieces. So, you know, that's not the leaf. Maybe I can find a dead one in here. Let's see what it does. Okay, hold on. Oh, there's the leaf. Let's see here.
Shark Vacuum does wonderfully on hard floors or carpet. The Powerfins and bristles easily pick up any dust, even if it's not visible to the eyes. Additionally, the headlight and advanced swivel allows you to easily navigate the vacuum around the house to clean up any messes efficiently. On the other hand, the lift-away feature leaves more to be desired, as the included upholstery accessory is unable to fully remove pet hair from fabric couches. A lint roller was more effective.
Okay, I highly recommend my Shark. This is the lift-away. It's perfect because you, like said, you know, you can lift this portion off. There's several other areas where you can lift it off, so detachable in a lot of different ways, which makes it helpful to get in small spaces. As you can see, I've used this a ton, pretty beat up, but as soon as this one dies, I'm getting another one. I need to empty it, so there's two portions you can empty, and then this filter I also need to clean, comes out easily.